Welcome to my channel. Today we're making a delicious yogurt cake with strawberries and crumble. It's super easy to prepare. You'll find the exact ingredient list in the video description. And to all new viewers, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. All cake ingredients should be at room temperature. We'll beat 3 eggs with sugar using a whisk. I'm using 3/4 cup of sugar. The cups are 250 milliliters in capacity. Let's add 3/4 cup of oil and 1 cup of plain yogurt. Mine weighs 330 g. We'll just briefly mix these ingredients. Remember, don't overmix yogurt cakes. Next, we'll sift the wheat flour and baking powder, mixing briefly again. The batter doesn't need to be completely smooth, as you can see here. Just make sure there's no dry flour visible. Pour the batter into a paper-lined baking tray. Then, we'll add chopped strawberries on top, sprinkle with crumble, and bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Bake using top and bottom heat, no fan. Once done, you can ice it or dust with powdered sugar. Look how delicious it is. You must try making this.